Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ram 1500 tire. First, ensure your truck is on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. Gather your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Before lifting, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. This initial step makes removal much easier once the truck is elevated, ensuring a smoother process. Now, carefully position the jack under the Ram 1500 frame near the flat tire. Consult your owner's manual for the exact jack points to prevent damage. Slowly raise the truck until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. Once lifted, finish unscrewing the lug nuts by hand and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside safely. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and carefully push it onto the hub. Ensure it sits flush against the mounting surface. Hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as you can, making sure they are snug. Then, slowly lower your Ram 1500 until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. This allows for final tightening. With the spare tire lightly touching the ground, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once all nuts are tight, lower the truck completely to the ground and remove the jack. Stow all your tools and the flat tire. Drive cautiously to the nearest service center to have the spare checked and the flat tire repaired or replaced.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.